Hi, I'm Dr. Adulya from Chinshiva Ayurveda Ashramam. Today my topic is GERD. GERD means gastroesophageal reflux diseases. This is the most relevant condition in digestive disorders. This chronic condition occurs when excess acid flows back to the esophagus due to weakened or constricted esophageal sphincter. This sensation is discomfort in the heart, commonly known as heartburn. In Ayurveda, this condition is commonly known as Amla Pitta, where there is more Pitta dosha level. Effective home remedies for the GERD symptoms are: first one is Pipali. 1 teaspoon Pipali powder mixed with honey and hot water, drinking after meals help to regulate the digestive system. Tulasi. Tulasi is a potent natural remedy for many diseases, including GERD symptoms. Herbal tea prepared with tulasi leaves help to alleviate the GERD symptoms. Cardamom. Cardamom pods are rich in vitamin B and antioxidants. It helps to enhance the digestive system. Ash gourd. Ash gourd is a green, nutritious vegetable which is rich in water content and phytonutrients such as terpenes and flavonoids, which help to prevent nausea, vomiting, and constipation. Drinking 1 glass of ash gourd juice on empty stomach helps to enhance the digestive system. The aloe vera. Aloe vera gel contains more antioxidants and it contains produce more anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to heal the peptic ulcer-like diseases. Drinking aloe vera juice with meals helps to enhance the digestive system and soothe the heart diseases. Diet and lifestyle remedies. Avoiding trigger food may help to reduce the pressure of the esophagus. Quitting smoking and alcohol. Wearing loose-fitting sleepwear. Dinner should be in moderate quantity. At least 2 hours of gap between dinner and the bedtime. Avoid binge eating. So further details, contact us through our website.